Up everybody, I hope you guys are really loving the videos and all the content that I'm giving you guys. If you guys are loving everything, you think that it's helping you out, it's motivating, give this video a like, share this video to everybody, and also drop a comment. Let's get these videos #1. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about, what would I do if I was broke? What would I do if I lost everything? Now here's the thing. If you took all the money out of my bank account and stripped everything from me, it's going to hurt. I probably might cry for a little bit, but as long as you don't take away what I have up here, it doesn't matter. If you take away everything I've been through, if you take away all the knowledge I have, all the books, all the courses that I've been through, all the trial and error, those years that it took to build the foundation before I even made it, then I'd be poor. I would be broke. You can take everything away from me in terms of money, but if I got what I have up here, I can easily make it back. A real hustler and someone who, real entrepreneur and someone who really grinds, they can lose everything and make it all back. And I don't even look that far, I don't even look back like that, and I don't even have any intentions of me even losing everything. But if it did, I can easily make it back. But let's talk about like step by step on things that could lead up to that. I lost everything. Let's say I have a house, I have an apartment, I have my car. I would probably use my car until how would I pay for gas? If I lost everything, how would I pay for gas? Okay, let's just say this. I'll probably put my car aside, or you know what? I can do this. I can get my car and I can put it on Turo. I know there's apps and there's things you can do. I know a lot of guys in LA, what they do is this with their nice cars. They give their cars to people to rent per day or per hour. I'd probably just go put my Camaro on there, probably rack up an extra like $250, $300 a day, which is really good. Maybe like an extra $500, $600 a week, which is still really good just for letting people use my car. I mean, after that, that's gonna accumulate. If I'm making like $100 a day doing that for a whole month, and that's 30 days in a month, I'm making $3,000 extra. I haven't even pre-recorded this. When I'm doing videos, I don't like, thinking about what I'm gonna say. I just like going in it because it's more real that way. So I'd probably put my car on Turo, or probably put my car on something where I could rent it out. Would I sell my car? Definitely not. Definitely not. If I was talking about selling my car, I'd be like giving up practically. Now let's say I have an apartment and, let's say the apartment allows me to Airbnb or let people stay in and rent it, like an Airbnb. Or I know there's another one, I can't think of the other one off the top of my head. I do that as well. So I'm renting out my car, I'm Airbnb-ing my place. Let's say I give it for where I live, I can easily do like 120 plus a night. So I can do something like that. So let's say I'm doing that and someone rents it out maybe like 2 weeks out of the day, that's probably like, an extra like $2,800, $3,000. Now I'm sitting on, $6K if Turo goes well and Airbnb goes well. Now, for the first 3 months or 4 months, I would probably go live with my parents because I don't have enough money right now and I don't have a big enough, savings because I lost everything to be able to live every single day. So I'd probably go live with my parents, have all these investments and all these different things coming in residual with Airbnb and renting my car out, and live with my parents until I rake up a lot more money. I'm pretty sure they'd understand. I'm pretty sure they'd be accepting of it. I'd be like, hey, you know what? I fell back in life. I took a big roadblock. I lost everything. Now, if you just let me stay with you guys, I'll pay you guys back. I'll help you guys out with something. Whatever you guys need, just please help me out right now because I'm trying to get back on my feet. A lot of the times, you can be a different family. It doesn't have to be your mom. It doesn't have to be your dad. It can be like friends, family, someone like that. Now, if I needed to go find a job, let's say the car and let's say the car and the Airbnb and the apartment were out of the picture, just freaking got rid of everything, drove my car into the ocean, burnt my apartment on fire, whatever, which would probably burn down the entire building, so I'd be screwed. So let's just say I didn't do that. Let's just say I ran away and I got evicted or something like that. I'd probably live with my parents and I'd probably go work at like a car dealership. I know that I can sell. I know that, people buy from people they like. A lot of people like me. I'm a very, very likable person. So I'd probably go get a job where I'm in sales because sales doesn't cap. Knowing my sales ability and knowing how I interact with people, I can get people to buy left and right, especially when it comes to cars, something like that. Like for me, I'm pretty difficult to sell, but I understand because I've been sold before what it takes to sell someone who's very difficult to sell. So based off all my knowledge and everything that I have like that, I would go ahead and do those things. So that's what I would do if I went broke.